Have you been feeling that something is changing in your energy on daily basis and you are not even following any meditation or yoga or anything like that? Have you been feeling a great change around you or within you? If you haven't checked it yet, go on and check it how you are feeling these days, and make sure to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to talk more about the energy change and vibration change. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can receive all kinds of awesome videos and uplifting energies. Hi, Live in Light. I am Kirti, Energy Alchemist. I help people by scanning their energies and finding the easiest to follow steps so that they can implement them in their daily life. So, I am talking about changes in energy. You might have been feeling a shift in your energy or people around you. You might be feeling angrier than earlier. If you have been feeling angry, sad, lonely, negative, or some kind of feelings so dense and negative that you want to just run away to Himalayas, then this video is for you, because we all are feeling as though we are going through darkness and there's nothing but darkness all around us. We all are feeling sad, lonely at this time. And if you haven't connected to a professional who can help you out, make sure to do that, because that is how we can help each other to grow. So now, talking about the energies, there is a great shift that is coming onto earth from all the different sources, and people who haven't thought of connecting and meditating daily or connecting to the energies instead of their daily life are waking up. Actually, we say that people who are sleeping are going to wake up. It's not actually that you are sleeping, but metaphorically you are not ready to be tuned in this shift. No matter what is going on around you or what you had been learning in your life, no matter if you say that I do not have time for meditation, I do not feel connected, I cannot calm my mind, no matter how much you try to escape this thing, you are going to tune into your spirit and soul upcoming year or coming years. You might feel that in 2022 and upcoming years are just like so much struggling and so much in pain, giving you all kinds of struggle. But you need to know that it is all for your own soul upliftment. The first thing is that if you haven't feeling the change around you and inside you, you are going to feel that. Right now, sit down and relax yourself and look back at your few days and check, is there something change in your energy or in your emotions? Are you being too sad, too angry all the time, or most of the times throughout the week and for an extended period of time? You have to check that out. Second thing is, you need to check out that how are you going? Like, are the emotions all negative or all the emotions are positive? If you feel that they are balanced, then it's okay. If you feel that you are going down the hill, almost negative, not connecting to people around you, feeling sad, feeling lonely, or you want to just show the world that you are something, all kind of negative things happening to you, then you need to connect to a professional. That is the third step. You need to connect to a professional, a spiritualist, most probably someone who is into spirituality for a longer time, who had been into divination, who had been into connecting to the deepest part of yourself and can help you to grow on this path. Now, why am I asking you and telling you that you need to do that no matter what happens? Because energies are shifting and we are being nudged by the universe to wake up, to start working on ourselves. Tell me one thing. In the comments below, let me know how long or how many lifetimes would you take, would you come onto earth to change this shift? To say that yes, no matter what happens, I have to meditate. To yourself, I can meditate for hours and hours, and now I am at that stage where I just close my eyes, say a few mantra, or just deep breathe, and I feel relaxed. Why? Because my mind is tuned up to meditation so much that it recreates that balance, that relaxation instantly without any hard work or without sitting into meditation for hours and hours. You can reach that place, but you have to take the first step. If you stay stuck and keep saying, I don't find time for meditation, I do not find any, even the minutest time for meditation, then you are not going to walk onto this path easily. It is going to make you sick, because we are here to change, to walk onto spirituality, to refine our soul, to clear and purify our soul. In alchemy, we say that nature is the most dangerous purifier of the soul. Actually, you have to walk onto this path. No matter what happens, you are going to get struggles, all kind of struggles, and you have to do it no matter what happens. But if you walk onto this path on the natural way, in the nature's way, actually, you will feel more destroyed, because the path of spirituality is not easy, and one day you have to walk on it. Are you ready? If you are not, then make yourself ready. Change that shift. Just for today, relax yourself and deep breathe through your nose and release through your mouth. That's all you have to do. Nothing else. If you can do that, you can change yourself. And as I said, that why am I saying all this? Because the upcoming years, you are being nudged by the nature or being hit by scenarios or scenes or problems or something like that, that you have to walk onto this path. There is no option, there is no more running away from this path. So go down, ask your questions in the comments below. If you have any kind of questions related to spirituality, ask them in the comments, or go and check all the videos on my platform, on this channel, so that you can change, you can start taking action right here, right now. If you won't take action, get the hit. Are you ready for that hit? No, I won't say. I will say that go on and start working on yourself. That's how you are going to uplift yourself. So this is too much about the energy update. And if you haven't checked out my earlier videos about the energy shift, go on and check them out. And if you like this video, you might like the Ma Kali video as well. You can go on and check them. There is a link in the description, in somewhere on the cards above. So go on and check them out. And if you like this video, like it, comment below and share it with your friends, because you never know whose life you are changing by sharing a little tip, and you might be saving it. So live in light, enjoy your life, and have fun.